What's up, guys? It's November 18th, 2024. We had a nice rally today, and then we consolidated. I think today was kind of hard, to be honest. I was up really nicely, and then I got caught here. I caught one leg down and then called it just to get green. Not too happy about quitting when I was green, but also we went sideways. So daily chart. This is aftermarket hour just opened up. What the heck? What bar is that? 2 minutes in. Okay, it's a sell. Okay, back to the daily chart. We had that rally, pullback, leg one, pullback, leg two. Could be seen as a micro channel. Could be two legs, leg one, pullback, leg two. Second leg trap into the EMA. Bears got no follow through. We still don't know if this bar is going to be a pullback or if this bar is a start to the next rally. I think there's going to be some residual selling. Not to say it's going to be like that. Could be like this, or it just could go straight up. Really don't know until it happens. We have multiple legs lower on the 45-minute chart. So this high is that high. A little more zoomed in, we go sideways here. And we have a strong sell into the EMA. We got a double bottom today, actually. That looks pretty clean on the 45-minute chart. So let's see something. They break out of this range. I'm about to sneeze, 2 seconds. Excuse me. So we rallied, pulled back. That looks pretty good. Bulls obviously got the Bulls got the breakout. Not the best follow through, right? We want multiple. We want this, but to be bullish above the EMA. Instead, we're going sideways. Still some sort of a bull flag here, or breakout mode, I should say. That being like this and like that. So yeah, see what happens. Yesterday's price action, we gapped down and sold off. Huh. I just realized you guys can't see the side of my monitor here. That's on the right side, but it doesn't matter. There's nothing there anyways. Because I think I might have lined it up with the numbers. Gap down and a sell off. So gap down, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. That was very sloppy. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three-ish. And then in a bull channel. And today we got a breakout of that bull channel. Rallied into the higher time frame EMA. This blue line is this green line here. So where is bar one? Okay, bar one is a sell-off. Bar two, bull bar. I actually bought this because of the rally on the. I bought this bar because of this rally here. So right off the bat, I was looking for some sort of this kind of nature. But then, yeah, it sold off. I hit out on the low and then I bought again as this bar was turning up right above bar 108, I guess. That's what the chart says. However, that's bar 4, I think. Bar 6. So bears, second leg trap, right? Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. A lot of tails, 3, 4, 5. 6, I think is a really nice buy signal. Double bottom. We're at the bottom of the range right now. That was a super sloppy. My nose is tingling. I've had a pretty bad sneeze since the weather's getting colder, I guess. I'm not completely over that, whatever it is. 1.5 hours met, and we know 2 hours met. It looks like about 3 hours met. I was going for 1 hour 7. I scalped out around here and I bought again. Excuse me. Okay. So where's that tool? I had the wrong one out. Leg 1, channel line break, leg 2, and then we start the channel here. You could also say bar 18 is leg 3, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Okay. So bar 8's bad follow through, but in the Al Brooks literature, you know, it says sometimes when you have a big bar, we can see profit taking right away. I think that's what we see here. Profit taking bar 8. However, bar 9 creates a high 1. Pull back, bar 11 creates a high 2. Bad body. I bought 12. Actually, I remember now. I bought here, scalped out, bought here, scalped out, and then I bought here and got trapped. I got trapped here, but I held thinking we'd retest somewhere in the midpoint, or bar 27 was a bad breakout for bar 28. So I was hoping to test here again and get out with some profits because I was scaling in, so my price line was kind of high. I was still up more than 10 points. I was still up more than 10 points, and I saw 32, got a little worried, and then I saw 33. I thought, okay, here's the start of the last leg, first leg in a trading range. This is the first bear leg in a trading range. I was looking for a bull leg in a trading range. However, as soon as 34 broke, 33's low, I got out for, let's see, I had 4 contracts. I got out for 5 points. So that kind of sucks. And then I got chopped up real quick around here, took a break, and then I sold this bar, got out here, and put me barely in profits. Really annoying my performance. I'm going to be taking less trades going forward just to get some baseline back. So let's leg count, do some measured moves on the gaps. Again, you can go for 1-to-1 here. I like to do 3-bar micro rallies, but excuse me, I said that weird. 3-bar micro channels, and this happened to be a rally. And then I went for another measured move here. This really annoyed me because for some reason my 1-to-1 was bigger than, oh. Yeah, that was literally my 1-to-1, and oh my god, I was so annoyed when I saw 28, guys and gals. Like, come on. This has been happening to me almost for this entire month. 1 point turns around, 1 tick turns around, then I get trapped. And I saw this, I was like, okay, cool. 3 bars, we probably get a continuation or we get a retest. No, not today. So, yeah, that was not met. Really annoying. It was 35 was my target. Wait, no, I guess 33. No, 35. This was my target. 1-to-1 of these 3 bars. Anyways, we start the channel we start the channel here. That's the first opposite bar. So now we're in channel phase. We're looking for 3 legs, and then then off the market cycle after 3 to 4 legs, we know we're gonna go range bound. I guess the range lows was here today. I assumed the EMA was gonna act like a range low, so I thought that was interesting how we had a bull rally, but the EMA started to act more as resistance. So it wasn't the strongest rally. On a higher time frame, this was just a vacuum test with a higher time frame EMA. The 45-minute chart line EMA. Whoa, what's going on over here? Beautiful. Anyways, 4-bar, 5-bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should get a second leg, but we're in trading range. Second legs are delayed. Trading ranges, so I really wasn't looking for this second leg until we got to around 47, 48. I was like, oh man, bulls are not getting there. Whatever. I got short here, honestly. So yeah, I got trapped. I got out on 60 before it rallied. So made a little bit. About 6 points, I think. Let me tell you. I made about 6 points. I didn't make 7. Well, no, I made 35. Yeah, so I guess I did make about 7. Yeah. Maybe I entered it a little bit like that. I think today was quite difficult because of this rally. Let me know if you guys were looking for that second leg and got trapped, or if you were privy to the shorts and started shorting the EMA. I didn't think the EMA was going to be resistance after I saw 42. I was like, perfect. I held yeah, I got chopped up here. I bought one of these bars and I got trapped here, reversed, held through this pullback. I was in red and then it reversed. I was like, I'm done with today. I'm not trading good. Very annoying. Did not. I was up pretty hefty here and took a hit on a great trade. Being greedy is becoming more and more obvious to me. So I got to work on that. And the markets went sideways, like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3. That's a wedge bottom. And then we rally like 1, pull back like 2-ish. This leg never goes above this leg. So you could say the second leg failed or the second leg didn't happen. Maybe the second leg happens in the overnight session, but right now it looks like there's some bear bars. So if tomorrow is a bear bar, then we know today was just a pullback. If tomorrow ends up being a bull bar, then we know this was its second leg trap. Not to say that we can't go higher and then lower. So it'll be interesting to see what we get. Most of the trades for me today happened in the beginning of the day, and then my greediness got to the best of me. Here's another micro channel. 1-to-1 is met. We're in a trading range, so we go for 1-to-1. Can't really say too much about this. And there was something that trapped me pretty good. that, or not trap, mentally trap me, not P&L trap me. Let me turn off. Let me get back to the other session. Something that trapped me quite well was this tail on 33. So leg one, when you travel past one tick past the prior leg, that's the minimum for leg two. So I thought that was good. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, 33, wedge bottom, rally. But I got out at the lows thinking this is gonna get its second leg like this. Maybe we test this bar. I think today was challenging. Not too many trades, honestly. You could scalp a lot on the morning. You could scalp here, but let's see. Look at this overlap. We had overlap for 1 hour, 2 legs down, and then overlap for so we had a trend from here we had about a 2 hour trend. Then we had sideways movement for about an hour and 20 minutes. Then we had another more sideways movement for an hour, 20 minutes. So you would have to be pretty accurate to catch this leg, that leg, that leg. Not saying it's impossible, but I definitely think it was hard. Draw some gaps in and call it good. We have a gap here. Not the best gap because bar 8's bear bar, but it has bullish tendencies. It closed above its midpoint. Another gap here. Another gap here. Another gap here. That's a sell-off. Wow, this gap actually stayed open. I saw that gap, but I wasn't clicking. I really thought this was going to get closed and we test the low 28, 27. We have a gap here that gets closed right away for the bears, and then the bull gap gets closed. So what happens when gaps get closed? That means we're range bound price action. Now I'm more annoyed that this gap stayed open. I didn't even catch it. But maybe, I would have bought more. I don't even know what to tell you guys. I got confused right here, man. It's a trading range, right? Confusion is the hallmark of a trading range. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys had a better trading day than I did and made some good profits on that bull run. Or maybe you caught the bear leg. Let me know how you guys are doing. I hope you guys are having good holidays. It's Thanksgiving next week. Yeah, guys, happy holidays. If you learned something, share the show. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.